Thinking like a scientist. What does it mean? Using the laws of deduction? Being good at solving puzzles? Asking the right questions?
Sarah.
What is gray matter?
Or perhaps just being really observant. Thinking like a scientist begins by seeing like a scientist, because they see things that other people don't.
You can read minds.
No, scientists don't read minds. They look for special patterns occurring in nature and try to make some sense of our really complex world. Perhaps there's a reason why flies are so darn tricky to catch. Perhaps there's also a reason why all flowers are so beautifully colored. Beauty is not just on the surface of the whole product, but found in all organizational hierarchies of life. From the smallest atom to the largest ecosystem, scientists ask questions about and give explanations to all sorts of natural phenomena. They may do this for the sake of finding some truth about nature or for practical purposes. But at the end of the day, our GPSs and our long-distance telephone calls would never have been made possible without first finding out that the world is round. Debunking misconceptions due to our limited perceptions is what scientists do. But why should it matter to you, the future writer, or you, the future lawyer, or perhaps even you, the future NFL star? We aren't all going to become Marie Curie, George Washington Carver, or even the next Jacques Cousteau. So why? Why should it matter? Why should we forcefully train ourselves to think and see differently, to grapple over large words that may not seem to mean much? Perhaps it is because we realize that simple things in life are really not so simple. An eye is just an eye until you see the parts that make it up. A flower is just for Valentine's until you see its role in making the green, rolling hills that you play on, or in providing you with that fresh fruit as your afternoon snack. A simple pen with a complex and humble beginning. The simple whir of my cooling air conditioning with complex energetic consequences. The simple act of washing my hands, curing the complex nature of sickness and disease. The simple act of voting for a leader and the complex decisions we have to make about humanity for humanity.
Science is really hard to learn. The vocabulary is difficult, the textbooks are really dense, sometimes quite boring. But the world is complex and it's perfectly built as if it were built on purpose. And so when someone is no longer satisfied with mere survival, with doing the dishes or waiting for your next paycheck's arrival, science can be the key to your inner adventurer's revival.